Fact, there are thousands of beauty products on the market. Other fact, no human being actually has time to try them all. That's why we're doing the deep digging and test driving to find the very best ones. Hi, I'm Katherine, the Kids Beauty Director. For the past few weeks, my armpits have been varying degrees of fresh as I've searched for the most effective natural deodorant. I tested over a dozen of them and I'm going to take you through my top 3. First up is this tube from Pharmacy. Its gel-like texture provides a nice cooling effect and goes on completely clear. It'll keep you dry and odor-free while making your armpits look better thanks to brightening papaya. Next is this pick from Schmidt. It's non-greasy, non-sticky, and features an all-natural scent inspired by freshly fallen rain. Best of all, it lasts and lasts, leaving you smelling lovely no matter how crazy your day gets. Our third contender is this Canadian hero from Kaia Naturals. It's specially designed to ease the detox phase that can occur when switching over to natural deodorant. It dries down to a powder finish and draws out toxins from your pores thanks to purifying charcoal. These are all amazing picks, but if you only buy one, I would go with the Schmidt's. It stands up to everything from stress to strenuous workouts without ever letting you break a sweat. And there you have it. Go ahead and raise those arms knowing you are fresh as a daisy. The kit's got you covered.